This app giving $15,000 cash out, guys. You can be the winner. You know what is crazy about it? You don't have to spend a single penny to enter to this cash prize because it's free. The only three requirements that you need to start joining this cash prize, let me tell you. The first thing is you're gonna have to be 18 years old or older. You have to live in US or UK, and you have to create your account. When it comes to create your account, you need to use my referral link below this video. Let me tell you why. There are two reasons why you need to use my referral link. The first one, when you use my referral link, I will give you 1,000 coins that's gonna equal 100 entries to this cash prize, because each entry equal 10 coins. That's mean if I give you 1,000 coins, you will have 100 entries. The second reason you need to use my referral link, when I win, it's just like you win. If I win this cash prize, I will split it with all my referrals. You don't want to miss this, right? You know what? Let me show you exactly how to get into this cash prize. After you finish creating your account, when you log in on your coin, you're just gonna go tap where you say your 1,000 coin. As you can see here, I don't have 1,000 coin, but I'm still gonna go ahead and click in it. Direct is when you wanna exchange your coin for something here. You can scroll down here. There is Bitcoin, Ethereum, there is AirPods, and there is silver coin, there is gold coin, there is a lot of stuff, PlayStation and Apple, iPad. There is a lot of things here you can use. So to able to exchange them, you need to have this amount of coin they request. So if you don't have the amount of coin, you won't be able to do any exchanges. I'm not gonna focus about that right now, because right now the most important thing is get the $10,000 cash. You're just gonna go and click sweepstakes. After you finish clicking sweepstakes, and you're gonna see here there's a lot of prize warning right now. You can join them if you want, it's up to you. So the main focus of today, like I told you, is the $15,000 cash. So whatever time you come, you see you have 0 entries or you have 10 entries. If it's green, that means this price is currently warning right now. But if you scroll down a little bit, if you see the writing is in red, that's mean somebody already won this prize already, so there is no way to enter. So let's go back. So right now we're gonna click in the $15,000 cash, and we're gonna click enter. After you finish, click enter. Like I told you in the beginning, 1 entry is 10 coin, 10 entries is 100 coin, 100 entries is for 1,000 coin, and that's the one I give it to you today. When you use my link, you get 100 entries. If you want, you can use them for all the $15,000 cash. If you want, you can use 10 entries every time you come up, and you can use it for all the price that's going on right now. So after you finish, choose whatever entry you want. You're gonna click the both box below. That's mean the first one you certify you're 18 years old, and the second one you agree with the term and the conditions. So that I'm gonna click continue. After you click continue, they're gonna say entry success. You have successful at whatever amount entry you got, and then you're gonna click awesome. This is all you enter to this cash prize. Now we're gonna move to the second part of the video, is all to get more coin, because I know a lot of you probably question yourself, say, hey, after I using the 1,000 coin, you give it to me, so what else? How can I get more coin? Of course, that's what I'm gonna talk about it right now. So let me tell you, there are several ways you can get more coin, but I'm not gonna focus on all of them today. I'm just gonna go in and show you 4 different ways you can get more coin that's gonna help you get more entry. The first way you can earn more coin, you're just gonna go to the icon video here. That's mean watch for rewards. You're just gonna click it. Right now you can see I only have 1 video so far. I'm just gonna click in it. Would you like to watch the video? But let me tell you, this video I'm gonna get 5 coins. Some of the video you're gonna get more than that. Every video that you watch, you guarantee you will get 5 coins. Let me do this right now, and we'll be back in a second. When you finish watch this video, you're gonna click in the top right corner where you see this arrow. You're gonna click in it, and after that they're gonna ask you to install it. You're not going to install it, you're just gonna click X, and you're gonna wait for a few seconds until it give you another X. You can see the clock count down. After you give you the X, you're just gonna click in the X, and this is all you get 5 coins. You're just gonna click resume, and you can go back to the app again. The second way to earn, you're gonna go to the corner where you see the logo checklist and you're gonna click in it. And after that, you're gonna scroll down here, you're gonna see special offer. You're just gonna click in special offer and you're gonna click open. After you click open, this is a bunch of app they have for you right here, but they're gonna say the earnings 40,000 coin. Let's say you click the first one here and you click open, and they're gonna tell you exactly what to do. You can see here you're gonna need to start 1 month with this app, and after that you're gonna get your reward after 45 days. And if you want to do this, you're just gonna click start. The third way to earn, you're gonna go to the shopping bag in the green, you're just gonna click in it, and after you're just gonna scroll down a little bit where you see product scan. Every product you scan, you're gonna get 25 coin. You're gonna click product scan and you're gonna click open, and after that they're gonna tell you where to go to scan the product, but sometimes they probably don't have nothing available. It's gonna be 0. But when they have something available, they're gonna give you something like that. The last way I'm gonna show you to get more coin is by visit store. You're gonna go back to the bag again, the green things right here in the white corner where the shopping bag is, and you're gonna go to store visit. Is in the bottom, the last one in the bottom, store visit, and you're gonna click in it and you're gonna click open. And this is all the popular store they put right here. You wanna get this 20 coin, you're just gonna go to one of these store, and this is all you will get this reward. So this is all for the video. If you have any question about this app, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I see you in the next video. Peace.